Every month, British Gas charges you money, even if you use zero gas. It is called a standing charge. Almost nobody in the UK knows there are legal ways to stop paying it. Today, I will show you 3 ways thousands of British households are doing it right now, and why energy companies will never tell you this themselves. If you are new here, hit subscribe now. Every week, British Home Secrets reveals the knowledge they buried, built specifically for UK homes. Now let us get into this. Here is the number that should make you angry. The average UK household pays between £300 and £400 every year in standing charges alone. Not for gas, not for electricity, just for being connected. That is before you have turned a single radiator on, before you have boiled a single kettle, just for existing as a customer. Think about what £400 means for a family in the north of England right now. That is 2 weeks of food shopping. That is 3 months of a phone bill. That is the difference between a warm house in January and a cold one. And it leaves your account every single year without you ever consciously choosing to pay it. It is automatic, it is invisible, and it has been rising faster than almost any other household cost in Britain. In 2021, the average combined standing charge for gas and electricity was around £150 per year. By 2024, it had reached nearly £400. That is an increase of over 160% in 3 years, during a period when actual energy consumption in UK homes was falling. Because people were turning their heating off to survive, energy companies were selling less gas, so they made up the difference by raising the charge that requires them to do absolutely nothing. The charge that arrives whether your boiler is on or off, whether your house is occupied or empty, whether you are alive or dead. One energy supplier continued billing a standing charge for 11 months after the occupant had died. The family had formally told them. 11 months of charges on a property with no living occupant. The regulator was informed. Nothing happened. This is not an isolated case. This is the system working exactly as it was designed to work. So here are the 3 things energy companies never tell you. And if you stay until the end, the third one will genuinely shock you. The first thing they never tell you is that 0 standing charge tariffs exist right now in the United Kingdom. They are completely legal. They are available to any household. They are simply never advertised and never promoted. They almost never appear on comparison websites that earn referral commission from the major suppliers. Money Supermarket. Compare the market. You switch. These sites make money when you switch to the suppliers who pay them the most. 0 standing charge tariffs from smaller suppliers do not generate the same commission, so they do not appear at the top of the results. You have to look for them specifically. A 0 standing charge tariff means you pay only for the energy you actually consume. Nothing more. If you go on holiday for 2 weeks, you pay nothing for those 2 weeks. If you spend a month in hospital, your energy bill for that month is close to 0. The unit rates on these tariffs are slightly higher than on standard deals. But for the majority of UK flats and smaller terraced properties, the maths almost always works in your favour. The break-even point is roughly 8,000 kilowatt-hours of gas per year. Below that level of consumption, which covers the majority of northern flats and smaller terraced houses, you will almost certainly pay less on a 0 standing charge tariff. Energy suppliers have modelled this data for every customer segment they serve. They know exactly which of their customers would save money by switching. They choose not to tell them, because the standing charge is guaranteed revenue. Your consumption can vary, your standing charge cannot. The second thing they never tell you is that you can challenge the standing charge legally. Under the Consumer Protection from Unfair Trading Regulations, 2008, there is a legal argument against the standing charge. Charging a mandatory daily fee for infrastructure originally built with public money and describing it as a necessary service charge can be considered a misleading commercial practice. This argument is not fringe. It is being advanced formally by several UK consumer rights organisations. It has been raised directly in parliamentary debates on energy pricing.
You can file a formal complaint with Ofgem today.
Not just about your bill, about the principle of the standing charge itself. It will not get you a refund tomorrow. But the complaint costs nothing to submit. It creates a permanent record, and it adds real pressure to a regulator that is already facing serious scrutiny.
Ofgem has raised the standing charge cap 11 times since 2021.
Every formal complaint on record makes the next increase harder to justify.
The link to Ofgem's formal complaint portal is in the description below.
If you do nothing else after watching this video, submit that complaint. It takes 4 minutes. The third thing they never tell you is the most powerful one. Under the Gas Act 1986, a domestic consumer in the United Kingdom has the legal right to request permanent disconnection from the gas network. This disconnection is at no cost to the consumer. The condition is that you have or intend to install an alternative heating source. A heat pump qualifies. An electric heating system qualifies. A wood-burning stove used as the primary heat source qualifies. You apply in writing to your gas distribution network operator. This is not the same as your energy supplier. You state that you have an alternative heating arrangement. They are legally required to process the request. The gas connection is removed, and the gas standing charge disappears permanently. This is not a loophole. It has been in British law since 1986. Thousands of UK households have exercised this right. The average saving is between £100 and £150 per year in gas standing charges alone. Energy companies have never voluntarily informed a single customer of this right. Not once, because every household that exercises it stops generating guaranteed standing charge revenue forever. The information has been in the law for nearly 40 years. It has simply never been advertised. Now here is why the system was built this way in the first place. In 1986, British Gas was privatised. What had been a public utility built over decades with public money was transferred to private shareholders overnight. The pipes under your streets, the connections, the meters, all of it became a private asset, and private assets must generate returns for their owners. The standing charge is not a fee for a service you choose to receive. It is rent. It is rent on infrastructure your taxes already paid to build. Ofgem was created to regulate this in the public interest. In 2021, the average gas standing charge was around 15 pence per day. By 2024, it had reached 29 pence. Ofgem approved every single increase. The political justification each time was network maintenance and grid investment. What was not mentioned is that the shareholders of the 6 major energy companies received a combined £4.5 billion in dividends in 2022 alone. The year of the energy crisis, the year millions of British households went cold, £4.5 billion in dividends, and a standing charge that doubled. Here is what the numbers look. The average UK household pays approximately £200 per year in combined gas and electricity standing charges. Over 10 years at current rates, that is £2,000, and current rates will not hold. If you switch to a zero standing charge tariff for both gas and electricity, the average savings for a flat or smaller terraced home over 10 years is between £800 and £1,400. If you exercise your right under the Gas Act to remove your gas connection entirely and move to electric heating or a heat pump, the 10-year saving for a typical northern terraced home rises to between £3,000 and £5,000. These figures come from data published by the Centre for Sustainable Energy, cross-referenced against Ofgem tariff records. The energy companies have this data. They have run these projections. They have made a deliberate commercial decision that you should never see them. You now know that zero standing charge tariffs exist and how to find them. You know how to file a formal Ofgem complaint at no cost. And you know your legal right
Under the Gas Act
1986 to permanently remove your gas connection and eliminate the standing charge forever. Share this video. Send it to your parents. Send it to your neighbors. Send it to anyone you know who is struggling with energy bills. This information is worth hundreds of pounds a year to every person who acts on it. This is British Home Secrets. We find the knowledge they buried and we give it back to the people who need it. Subscribe. because there is a lot more where this came from.